Sean, I'll hand you off to the Trail Master, Coach Aldi.
Coach. Morning. Aldin, hope you warmed up na sa 1 kilometers. Part yun ng route. So, just in time, kanina umulan. So, expect yung course na medyo a little bit greasy, a little bit slippery. So, I assume lahat naman naka-trail shoes, di ba? So, okay yun. So, just in time also, in a few minutes, we're gonna start. Timing lang, maliwanag na rin. So, hindi na natin kailangan ng headlamps. Then, the course will be around mga 7 kilometers to 8 kilometers. So, I will be at the front. So, let's divide the group into 3. So, I will lead the front group. The mid group will be led by Majo. Yan, si Majo. And the last group.
So lahat ng mga participant nagdidito na. So launching ng Sunturan. So yeah. Solid. Go. Go! Woo! Yee! Go! Okay, kunyari. Okay. Go! Go guys! Go! Gutom na. 1 kilometer na, gutom na eh.
500 meters pa lang. Gutom na. Brochure.
Grabe. Ito ahon naman ngayon. Ibang trail to. Mayan.